Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Thursday. This is Darlene sitting here making some bracelets. Somebody had asked me if I could make a bracelet using actually these brown and blue beads that I got in my gift from Miss Teresa. And she was saying that she notices that I wrap a lot of the pieces, like the bigger beads like this. I do that. I wrap them with the wire, usually 18 gauge wire, and I will add, little beads on them and all that good type of stuff. And that's just the way that I like to do it. That's how my creative mind works. So when I look at this bracelet, it's a beautiful bracelet. In fact, I made the bracelet using the beads, the brown and blue beads, and she wanted to see something, just a bracelet, just using basically those beads, and the beads not wrapped or anything. And this is basically what you get. So you can still make a beautiful bracelet just using the regular beads and not wrapping them with wire or anything like that. But for me, I don't do that, because to me it's almost like taking a strand of beads that you buy and just turning them into a bracelet. So I don't generally do that. If I bought these beads and you got, I guess, 8 or 9 on a strand, strung, and it's 8 or 9 of them, and you literally just take them, let's say minus this wire focal, and you basically just got this. To me, that's just basically taking it off of the plastic that it came on and just putting it on stretch cord and making an actual bracelet. So to me, that don't work. And my creative mind works a little differently than what a lot of other people's, how a lot of other people's work. Do everybody like what I make? More than likely not. And it's not meant for everybody to like what I make, right? It's not meant for that. It's like, if you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. And you'll find that some people don't like what it is that you make, and that should be okay with you. I mean, that should be okay. But for me, I don't like plain like this. For some reason, my creative mind does not like plain. It does not. Now, this is a beautiful bracelet, but as I look at it, I can see charms on this. I can not necessarily see the beads wrapped in wire, but I can see a lot of chunky charms just kind of hanging from it and like just all over the place to complement the big wire spacer. So for me, this is like very simple. It's beautiful, but it's very simple. So this is what this looks like. And this was a request. Can you make a bracelet using those brown and blue beads that that you got in your gift box? And this is what I actually came up with. And I started not to put the gold wire right here, but I was like, well, nah, I don't want to do that, because to me it don't look like a finished piece or anything. But this is what I came out with. So this is what this is, and I do like these. I'm going to take this apart because I don't want it. But I'm going to probably do something with these beads, maybe a necklace. And I'm thinking what I'm going to probably do with these is maybe link them and then make a probably link these and make a, link them and make a link necklace, right? And then I have, let's see what I had up here. Oh, this one. This agate piece, I'm going to do something with this agate piece and then maybe make a linked necklace using these colors. So if you can see, these colors will match really well. So I'm going to come back with something like that. I'll link these. I'm going to actually take this apart. This was only made so that, the person can see what this looks like made like this, just using, the glass beads. So I'm going to cut this apart, and then I'm going to use all these beads to link and just make a really pretty necklace. And I'm thinking I might make it a linked charm necklace. I should be able to do that, and maybe doing it with the hearts. We'll see what happens. But anyway, this is this for now. And I hope everybody is having a really good day. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood. I hope they continue to be beautiful days in my neighborhood by the grace of God. And everybody have a good day. And guess what? We'll talk.